Hello everyone, it's your girl Cassie. I'm back again. I know I've been off YouTube for a while now. Please bear with me. I've been busy and doing some stuff. So yeah, I'm back again with another interesting video for you guys. In this video I have for you today, I'm going to show you guys how I did this beautiful lace frontal with Darling Superstar extension. So guys, just keep watching. Yeah, I'm just trying to like feather the attachment so it will be easy for me to use. I use like a full pack, a full Darling Superstar extension for this hair. So guys, just keep watching. I've already attached my lace frontal to my cap. I use sewing machine to do that. If you want to know how to attach your lace frontal or your lace closure to your cap, there's a video I posted about it. I'll leave it down in the description box so you guys can watch it and see how it's done. So I started doing crochet at the back section before going to the front to ventilate it. So I was taking the extension little by little. You can take, it depends on how full you want yours to be. You can take your own much, you can take it small. It depends on your choice. So I was done with the back, then I came to the front. I wanted to get my hairline perfectly, so I had to wear it on and use my foundation to draw out my hairline. So that's basically what I was just doing here. I've already ventilated like half of the hair already, so I'm like going into the next half part of the hair. I have a detailed video about how to ventilate your lace frontal, your lace closure. I'll leave the link in the description box so you guys can go and watch it. finally I'm at the last line. Honestly, it's not easy. Take your time when you're doing. Just take your time, relax, don't rush it, because by the time you start rushing it, you start doing rubbish, honestly. So don't rush, just take your time. I think it took me like 2 weeks to do it, because I wasn't steady. I was doing it rest, I'll do rest. I wasn't doing it like seriously. So just take your time, don't rush it, and you get a perfect work. So after I was done with the ventilating, I went back to that back line where that joins the lace and the cap. I went there and fill it up with little extension. I was taking it little. I wasn't taking it too big. It was just little by little to just cover up those space so that it won't start showing when you wear it. I was done with the hair, so I wanted to put it in hot water. The water was not too hot, just normal hot water, not the boiling one. Then I went in with my Mega Good conditioner. Then I mixed it together and put the hair into the water. After putting it in the hot water, I still went ahead to use straightener, like normal heat straightener. It wasn't too hot, it wasn't too hot rather. It wasn't too hot, it was just medium heat straightener for it, because I wanted it to be very straight, like bone straight. So I went in to do that, and it came out beautiful. You guys can see it. You can see it already. You can see how beautiful and flawless it is. Guys, you need to try this. We have come to the end of this video. Please guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please support me, support your girl. And if you want to see how I style this hair, watch out for my next video.